This is an amazing opportunity for us to honor the 4 years that kids have committed to learning about a career, and now they're stepping right into it. And that's what we hope for all of our students, that when they graduate, they are confident about the choices they've made and they're ready to go out into the world and succeed.
The celebration for Industry Signing Day is so important for our students to be recognized. Many of our students will be going into the world of work. We have invested 4 years, 5, 6 years into their career. Our students will not only be successful or have not only achieved success, but monetarily, they'll start making money day one. So we're happy for them and we're happy for the families.
So for us as a family, we're very family oriented, right? And it's everything to us to see our baby girl who was this big yesterday growing into the young adult that she is today, right? And since 8th grade, she's had this passion just to help people and just further her education. She knew what she wanted to do from that, from the get. So, to see her carry that out all through high school, and now she's living that to where she's going to further her education, go on to help people who need it, and ultimately be a trauma nurse, a traveling trauma nurse, is truly remarkable.
Today we're here at Seguin High School really celebrating some of the students that are making commitments to their communities, making commitments to local employers to support their families, support their communities, and show their talents right in their hometowns. And so it's really good that we got the opportunity to talk to them today, recognize them for making those decisions.
One of my favorite parts of today and this whole experience is getting to meet the families of the students. I want to introduce myself to them, shake their hand, and I want them to feel reassured that their young sons and young daughters are joining a company who cares about them, who is going to steward them into adulthood, and know that we care, because this is a tight-knit community, and that's why we're doing this, to better these young adults, to better our community. And so we want to make sure that the families understand that their children are in good hands as they transition to young adults.